Hey everyone, welcome back to Janice on channel. Today, we're diving into another tricky name that people often mispronounce, Saoirse Ronan. If you've ever seen her name written out and thought Saoirse or Saoirse, you're definitely not alone. But the correct way to say it is Saoirse Ronan. That's right, Saoirse is pronounced Saoirse, kind of like inertia with an S, and her last name, Ronan, is just how it looks, Ronan. Put it together, and you get Saoirse Ronan. She's an incredibly talented actress known for films like Lady Bird, Brooklyn, and Little Women, and even she jokes about people getting her name wrong all the time. So, let's practice it together. Saoirse Ronan. Saoirse Ronan. Saoirse Ronan. Saoirse Ronan. Saoirse Ronan. Got it? Awesome. If this helped, be sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips right here on Janice on channel. See you in the next one.